Inside the Classes tab, one of the things that we'll be able to do is print our bubble sheets, and we have a 40 question and a 60 question bubble sheet. You can also print your Engage and Learn QR codes if you're using the Engage and Learn iOS app, or you can print up the all-in-response pad number list, and this is just a list of the student's name and the pad ID that they need to pick up for class. Now, to print any of those bubble sheets, we do have to select the students that we want to print a bubble sheet for. The box in the gray bar will select or deselect all of the students. So if I just wanted one student, I could just simply select the one student. In this case, I'm going to print up my entire class, and I'm going to choose the 40 question bubble sheet. Now it's going to give me the option to either print to my Adobe PDF or one of my printers I have installed. I'm going to stick with the Adobe PDF for now so that you can see what the sheet looks like. It's going to ask me to name it, and if you plan on printing this on a regular basis, you might want to just name it to whatever the period is or the name of the class. And I'm going to click Save, and you'll see as it's building these, it's actually building the QR codes, the bubble sheets, and converting it to PDF. And if we look at this, we are seeing the bubble sheet and the QR code that's right here on the bottom right. That QR code is what the camera sees and reads. It is a globally unique identifier within our system, so it has no relation to their actual student ID or their name. So if your kids have a QR code reader, there's no information being given away there. But this does allow for when you scan that the student's grade, Tweety Birds, would get automatically assigned to the correct student. So that's one less step in the process that you would have to manage, and you could print these up. One of the practices that we do recommend is that on the bubble sheets, whether you're using the 40 question or the 60 question, is the use of laminating these, and you can use these over and over and over again, so that if you're wanting to ask just say 3 questions on an exit ticket, well, if you have to print up new sheets every single time, you might be tempted to not do so. If it's laminated and you're using a dry erase marker or a Visa V marker, then you probably will make much more liberal use of it so that you're getting a constant heartbeat or check of where your kids are every single day and what they're learning.